Hi everyone, welcome to the course Intro. In this course, we're going to learn English language from basic. I'm Shadi, your English language teacher with over a decade of experience in teaching English language, specifically IELTS. At the end of this session, you will learn how to introduce yourselves or others. Let's start.
Part 1.
Hello everyone, I am Shadi.
Hello, Miss Shadi.
Hello, Miss Shadi.
Please introduce yourselves. Please introduce yourselves means please say your names.
I am Jason.
I am Sarah.
I am Liam.
I am Claire.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Hi, ma'am. I'm John.
Hi, John. I'm Liz.
Part 2.
Who is she been? Introduce her, please.
She is Amber.
Great. Please introduce this man, Amber.
He is Alfred.
Who's this woman, Alfred?
She is Amy.
Who are they, Amy?
They are Noah and Camila.
Please introduce her, Noah.
She's Eve.
Great. Please introduce him, Eve.
He's Harry.
Practice.
Who is she, John?
Now answer, please.
She is Alice.
Who are they, John?
Now answer, please.
They are the Andersons.
Test.
Now it's your turn. Please in the comments below write down who are you? Then introduce this man, Mark Jackson, and this woman, Sandra Jones. Thank you for joining the class. For more videos, please subscribe and join the course.